passing every red light. I know I'm in over my head, a rebel and I'm torn high. Remember all the words that you said. Even if the love was hurting, I'll be yours, I'll be yours again. I can feel the fire's burning, give me more. So tell me what you feel, my love, 'cause I can never get enough. And tell me what you feel, my love. Yeah, I could never leave 'cause I'm needing the feeling. Let me feel your love. So tell me what you feel, my love, 'cause I can never get enough. And tell me what you feel, my love. Yeah, I could never leave 'cause I'm needing the feeling. Let me feel your love, 'cause I can never get enough. And tell me what you feel, my love. Yeah, I could never leave 'cause I'm needing the feeling. Let me feel your love.
Way back then, go so hard, ain't think I win. Don't stop me, don't play pretend. I was up so much, I was on the fence. I don't know myself and still I bet I felt pain won't go again. Me, myself, my only friend, going straight to the top, can't comprehend. I'ma go hard, got nothing left. Wrong is it right, I won't take any less. Got too many days that I felt that stress, yes. Need my checks, I ain't gonna stop till I'm gone or dead. If it ain't money, don't bother them. They are my sons, I father them. We ain't stopping in this game till it's over. Hard as ice on the path, they got colder. They gon' know me as a king when I'm older. I'm a legend in the making, I'm a soldier. They gon' know me as a legend, I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. They gon' know me as I'm a soldier. They gon' know me as a legend, I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. Here we go, they all wanna see me flow. They wanna see me grow up, pop and stop, and I'm here to glow. I'm from the very bottom, I sung from every boat. Welcome to Armageddon, yeah, welcome to the show. They never knew my name, never do care about that or fame. I just came up in my own lane, it's magic, that's what they gon' say. That's just how I did it, put in that work, I start, I finish. All of my comp, I do diminish, call me the king, I'll pay my penance. I'ma go hard, got nothing left. Wrong is it right, I won't take any less. Got too many days that I felt that stress, yes. Need my checks, I ain't gonna stop till I'm gone or dead. If it ain't money, don't bother them. They are my sons, I father them. We ain't stopping in this game till it's over. Hard as ice on the path, they got colder. They gon' know me as a king when I'm older. I'm a legend in the making, I'm a soldier.
The major and the minor were like piano keys. You played for me. You played for me. Oh, I swear, even in my sleep, I like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me. Ooh, you played for me. Oh, you played for me. Ooh, you played for me. You played for me. Ooh, you and me. I swear it, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me. Couldn't stop the world from turning. It was like a whirlwind, scattered us like leaves. But I'm stuck inside a feeling, a song that never leaves. We were like a symphony. You played for me. You played for me. Oh, you played for me. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me. Ooh, you played for me. You played for me. Ooh, you played for me. You played for me. Ooh, you and me. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me.
It's 4 a.m. I can't turn my head up. Wishing these memories will fade and empty. Turns out people lie. They say just snap your fingers, as if it was really that easy for me to get over you. I just need time. Snappy 1, 2. Where are you? Still in my heart.
Good morning, everybody. What is going on? I hope everybody had a fantastic holiday with their families and just a great time in general, of course, with Christmas and everything going on.
I'm writing a song.
Christmas or whatever celebrations are going on this time of the year, right? There's a lot of them out there. But what is going on? So far this morning, SPY is kind of stuck around this $600 mark. We need to see a solid move away from this range. That's for certain. What is up, though? Good morning, Manny, Yodi, T, Juan, Martin, Thomas, Vico, Trevor, Juan, Master, Outlaw Star, love it. Clay, Zex, Jesley, Ed, hello from Prague, whoa. Now that's a wild one. That's definitely a first I've heard here. Wow, that looks beautiful. Good morning, everybody. Watching for the market this morning, the SPY is definitely pretty nuts at $600. I'm going to keep watching this area close for a possible rejection back down. Keep it on the radar. If SPY just breaks it like it's nothing, then we might be able to get a little bit more bullish here. We're starting to see 600 break here. Some nice movement. We're up to 615 now. I will say, though, rejections have come all over within this range. All over the place. Morning, Mike. Big boy. I like it. Good morning. Hope everyone had a great Christmas. You too, Mike. You too, Outlaw. I'm attacking the QQQ, Juan said. The NASDAQ, what are you going for with it today? Are you looking to be a bit more bullish here, Juan, or are you just adapting either way? I'm curious. Roblox coming back alive. Pretty decent move this morning. 59.85, trying to test 60. Nano Dimensions is on my watch list. NNDM. Up 5%, up around the top? Okay. Wasn't expecting to see Nano on there. Nano Dimensions. We like that. What's up, KO and Steph? Adding Google and Meta for the long run? Nice. I'm not sure now's the exact time I would, but I think it's totally fine if you're averaging in. Come on, Santa. Yeah, we're technically still in a Santa rally. So the Santa rally technically goes... I have it written down here in my notes. It goes from December 24th to January 3rd this year. That's what the notes say. Let's go see DJT trying to roar back to life. Right around $36 trying to break out here. That's fire. SPY is still stuck. The market's only been open 4 minutes, but so far, I'm not too impressed with this price action. At least it's pointing higher, but only one candle was really green there. Adapting, waiting for a confirmation on direction, Juan said. Gotcha. And that's on the QQQ. Just wanted to let you guys know I am still a little bit stick here this morning. Just wanted to let you guys know. SoFi is over $16. SOFI 16.00. That's a pretty good move back. It'd be nice to see SoFi go on a true ripper here. It's been trying to come up off this base it's been forming. Down around 14.85 to 15. Good base forming. They can get the run continuing here. Let's go see GME. GameStop I saw was ripping today. You guys excited about GameStop? I know a lot of you out there love this stock. It's actually been roaring back. I mean, I gotta give it to GameStop on the daily chart. It's a pretty damn bullish setup. It's pretty good. We've been seeing it get a little bit of life back here. The volume's been picking up a little bit more on it recently. On this little uptrend. Howdy, Tangi. You joined up just to hear me talk about GameStop. Look at that. We have AMC down around support. Is it going to start popping off with GameStop? It's holding support very well so far. We like it. Nah, GameStop looks a lot hotter. A lot hotter in the short term. LI was up 10% today. They pulled back. XPEV's trying. 2.9%. XPEV's not bad. If XPEV starts to try to fill this gap, this would be amazing. That would be a great move out of XPEV. Tangy Man said Aklo. Whoa, hell yeah. Now that's a hot one today. It's not at the top of the watch list, but it's getting there. Hell yeah, keep Aklo on the radar. Breaking out above the high from Tuesday. I almost said the high from yesterday. All right, let's do a poll. Will the Santa rally keep going into the new year? Let me know. Yes, it will keep running. No, it will slow down. All right, let's see. What do you guys think? There's 3 choices here. Yes, it will keep running. No, it will slow down. Or no, it will reverse. Let me know. Will the Santa rally keep going? Joby coming back alive. ACHR. ACHR is definitely on the radar. If it could break the high from pre-market, that would be a hot one. Joby. Really good price action up into the highs from Tuesday. Coconut said a definite maybe. Give me 1 sec, guys. Brutal out here. Joby, 2.4% though. Broke the high from yesterday now. Like I said, sorry guys, I'm sick. We're dealing with it though. We got it going. We like Joby, 2.6. New highs, new recent highs. As of, well, as of the past few trading days. New recent highs. You guys get it. Recent high, recent high. Little stair step up here. We're getting a little stair stepping action. Getting like a little going on. Mike said historically, how does the market react in January for a president's inauguration? We're definitely going to have more of that going on, Mike. We're going to have a lot more stats like that in the nightly videos soon. More of whenever January gets here. Don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. Right now, people aren't throwing out too many stats on it yet, but we'll get some good stats. Historically, I believe pretty well, but I'll need to see the data again to refresh my memory, Mike. DJT inauguration pump. I have lots of January calls on this. Ooh. DJT's a tough stock. Extremely tough. It's very risky. If you think that there's going to be a January push into the inauguration, it might not be a bad one to try to go for, but it's a stock that is not really for me with the risk associated to it, but you know, it has pumped into a lot of these bigger events, so maybe it'll get going there. Thank God I can mute this microphone. Tangy said, Poet, holy moly. We looked at this one at the end of, well, on Tuesday, I think it was. Wow. Man, Tangy, that's a good rip above that recent high and break of the range and everything. It's been on one hell of an uptrend, too. What is this? Poet. It don't line up perfect, but it's not bad. Poet following a good trend, continuing to stair step up. It's been very consistent, Tangy, on this stair step motion here, and it's doing it again. Doing it again here on this break. Wow. And that's a real break, too. Juan said, QQQ, trying to run. Let's see it today. Let's see. Trying, yeah. Right around the key 530 resistance. It's going to be a tough level to break there. That's for sure. It's a bad resistance. I'd say pretty tough. ALAB, Bacon said. ALAB, Astera Labs. Let's see this one on the daily. Gosh, it just keeps ripping. Some of these stocks recently, especially some of these growth stocks, have been on fire. Just like the rips that we continue to see on the daily chart is nuts. Palantir looks like it's slowing down a bit today. Talking about stocks that have been ripping a lot lately. Palantir is actually slowing up a bit. Okay. It happens, Palantir. I guess I can forgive you today. Maybe we'll go for an afternoon rally or something on Palantir. I have to wait on this one, though. Looks pretty slow today. Go check on Tessie. Rejecting at 470 resistance. I want to see it on the bookie. On the book map. Netflix gapped up this morning, but never really got the good 942 breakout going on. Hey, Nate, thanks for subscribing. A little bit earlier, if you guys are just now joining up, make sure you destroy that subscribe button. Seeing Netflix pull back a bit. SPY trying to come back for another run here. It's right back to around $600. It's been rejecting here all morning. Now the question is will we actually get a good pump here and break this level? If we could re-break $600.30, that'd be pretty good here. I see a pretty bullish opportunity on the SPY on this potential run, but it's pretty choppy. Every time it breaks the high of day here, it's broken by just a minute amount and comes back. We'll need to see a better break here today. Much better break. The high of day, 630. Let's just put an alert there. Screw it. Oh, I forgot those are loud for you guys, aren't they? I thought I got the volume to go down, though, last week. Didn't I? Yeah, alert volume. I turned it way down. Yeah, I want to put one here just to see what it does. Watch it get stuck between these two. That's funny. Tessie. Mind your ears, guys, for a second. Oh, there we go. That was a lot quieter. Perfect. I wanted to test it. I know you guys were mad at me last week because we kept getting those loud-ass notifications coming in. That was wild. Tesla. Selling off a bit. Looks a little bearish this morning. Tesla's been moving pretty well, but it's on a major support here right around this 456 level. 456, definitely a big one. What a remix on this one. Good support, though, on Tessie. Making a new low of the day as we speak, though. Pretty weird drop-off. I have an idea for merch. Shirts and sweaters that say, "In Stocked Up we trust." That's not a bad one, Mike. That's really not a bad one. Hey, thanks, Andres. Book map on Tessie? Sure, I just pulled it up a minute ago, KO, but here it is. What is going on? I think I'm going to have to restart the book map, guys. There we go. There we go. 455, 450. A lot of good levels here. I like 455 and 450, obviously, the most. It's where the bigger stacks are. You got like 60,000 share stacks at both of those. All right. Tessie selling down. 456 sell-off. Pretty brutal. Wow, 1.65% to the downside. Re-breaking that low of the day very well here. Gosh, Tesla. Well, I guess sometimes you have to adapt, right? Looks like the SPY is also rejecting at resistance, which we were showing earlier. it really failed to re-break this zone. That's a bad sign, especially with Tesla selling off. Gonna have to check the other big tech stocks now, like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, others. Apple's pulling back too. Pretty bad pullback. Microsoft, let's check it. Yep, pullback coming in. Google's pulling back. They're all pulling back at once. And you know what that means. It usually spells pullback on SPY, which we're seeing. Samuel said Lunar's on a good run. LUNR, Intuitive Machines. So they're not to all-time highs, but they did break the recent high today. They were definitely hot this morning. They're pulling back, though, even now, even with the overall market. Lunar is slowing up. Let's check Rivian and Lucid. What about KULR? I know that one's been pretty popular, too. Cooler. I don't know much about this stock myself, other than a bunch of people have been asking for book maps on it recently. It's been a hot one. I know it has these crazy days like this, like 20% plus days. The average percent rise over the past year is 9.67%. That is an insane number. The QQQ's tanking, yeah it is. It's all pulling back. Tessie's well below support now. Microsoft's getting well below support. Yeah, be ready for some pullback here. I'm not liking this action with the SPY. The fact that it's failing to re-break 600 here in a good way is not a good sign for the short term. Definitely not. I like the poll so far this morning. Get those votes in. Do you think the Santa rally will continue? While you're at it, destroy the like button. Hell yeah, like it up.
Alright, alright, alright.
Oh yeah. Boeing pulling back, not the best movement there. Kind of boring price action, but Tessie's been hot on the price action. Sorry guys, it's hard as hell to talk today. I feel like I keep having to take these big pauses and stuff, but hopefully it don't sound too crazy. It's probably more in my head than it really is translating to you guys. It just feels weird to stop. ACHR, Archer, 2.3%. Bacon said it broke past 11.05. I have my alert here at 11.24. That'll be nice. Mason ordered a new desk chair. Hey! Been sitting on a hard wooden chair for so long. Nice. Hell yeah, Mason. I hope you like that when you get it. Hopefully it helps your back a little bit. Us golfers need that extra lumbar support, Mason. I've been thinking about buying a chair that focuses on your back a little bit. I have one of those like DX racers, which is nice, but I think I need something better for my back. It's got lumbar support. Yeah, mine has lumbar support now, but like, I don't know. It's like a little pillow that they call lumbar support. I don't even, I'm like, what the hell? Here, let's see what it looks like this, essentially. It looks like this, except it was a lot more expensive. But I will say, it just, I don't know what it is. It just doesn't, it hurts my back. Oh, here it is. This is the exact one right here. This is my exact chair. That's pretty cool, though. Send us a pic when you get it, Mason. Mine's called S Racer. Gotcha. I think I'm gonna go with one like this next time, Mason. I'm thinking about going after something like this. Where's all my chiropractors in the chat? Something where like it has all these weird adjustments. It just looks so weird though. If it felt good to sit in, I would like it, but man, it just looks strange. Alright, QQQ. Coming back, alright. All we had to do was look at some chairs and the spy comes back alive. Wow, it's all the way back already. It took a couple minutes, but all the way back to 600 to retest. Looks like it might try to go for a real break now. Yeah, it does look uncomfortable, right? Standing desk. That's actually something that's on my radar, is the standing desk. I wish Tesla would make some standing desks for us. 1% here on Tesla to the downside. It's been on a pretty bad downtrend so far this morning. Microsoft, everything's starting to come back a bit on the recovery. Everything's moving together as of this morning, for the most part. If we look at the bigger tech stocks. For real though, hope everybody had a good Christmas, good holiday out there. LASE, Lays. 16%. Laser Photonics Corporation. Whoa. It's been consolidating and bouncing off support in a pretty good way. That's a great support bounce there. I think I got scammed on Amazon, guys. Tom got scammed on the Amazon. Can you believe it? Amazon, of all things, I got scammed on. Like, how does that even happen? I bought some camera for taking pictures of cars and shit. And I had this thing ordered. Kind of wild. I'm going to have to give Jeffrey Bezos a call. I ordered this camera and it was on sale, a pretty good sale. And it was during, like, you know, all the Black Friday crap. Or Christmas sales, whatever you want to call it. And I ordered this camera and out of nowhere it said, oh, your shipping label's been created, but then they like never shipped it. And it's been like this for like 2 weeks. So I am just lost. I'm confused. I have no idea what they're doing. It says I can't refund it until January 3rd. And I'm like, you're kidding me. This is like a month of sitting here waiting for this. So I don't know what it is, and the person I bought it from, apparently it was a seller on Amazon. It wasn't Amazon, and the seller deleted their profile, and their name was like Yang Shu. It was like the weirdest Chinese thing that went out. It was like a paragraph long was their name. It was wild. I'm never buying anything without checking the seller that Amazon provides again. That was terrible. I'll get the money back. It's just going to take a minute. I only buy bestseller. Yeah, and I was scrolling through like the Christmas stuff, and it popped up, and it was like, oh yeah, this $800 camera is $200 off right now. And Amazon said this is the best price all year or something. And I was like, hell yeah, I gotta get on that then. Apparently, little did I know, Amazon was pushing one of their whack sellers. Wow, it was under a different tracking number. Maybe mine is. I don't know. We'll see. I'll be interested if it does show up. If it does, I'll be happy. Pretty nuts. Let's go see the QQQ coming back. Spy. Oh, God. The package came in like 3 weeks late. Oh, man. Now that sucks. Hopefully they give me my money back and then I get the package. That would be the best case scenario. Wow. Sorry, guys, had to stop and go cough my lungs out here. Spy broke the high of this morning. All right. It's not the high of pre-market, but it's the high from since open today. Spy's breaking out a little bit. All right, are we going to get the recovery coming in? These stocks better start turning around a bit more. Let's see the banks. Bank of America, JP Morgan. Get some movement out of the banks. Nothing crazy there. Go hit DJT. Go check in on Intel. Coming back a little bit. Okay. Back above 20. Baba's roaring back. Had some massive sell-offs last week out of some of these stocks. Tesla's turning over at 470. It's a pretty brutal turnover there. What did you go see? Mason went to the movies at 11 to go see Nosferatu. What the? What is that? Oh my God. Mason, that looks weird. Man, you better have went and saw that with a girl. Nosferatu. I remember they showed this guy on SpongeBob one time. Don't you guys remember that? They showed that on SpongeBob once. Yeah. You're right. That's right, Mason, yeah. He was in there. I've never heard of that guy before, besides that. I didn't even remember it was that episode, but I remember him going Nosferatu or something like that. Interesting. But you said it was pretty bad. I don't know. It looks bad. I don't think I'll be seeing it. I don't go to the movie. I don't see any movies anyways, so it's got to be a pretty special one for Tom to watch it. Me and my buddy realized that mid-movie. That's hilarious. Then who keeps flickering the lights? Oh, that's awesome. That is sick. It's considered a cult classic horror. God, yeah, it came out in 1922, the original one I was looking up did. What's up with Target posting a move? Target's trying to catch a fade here. Oh my gosh. 134.40, rising to the top. Trying to recover up over the past few days after it dipped. It had a pretty harsh dip there. Let's go see Meta really quick here. Plot was terrible. It was like creepy, low-key, just weird. That's what it looks like. It looks like some weird, creepy crap. That's what it looks like. That they should have came out with that during like Halloween, right? I was supposed to go to a super nice steakhouse tonight. My dad still owes me that steak dinner from whenever we did the bet for Tyson versus Paul. He bet on Tyson and he still won't live that down, but he has to buy me a steak dinner, and we were gonna go to this nice steakhouse here called Sam's Steakhouse tonight, but since I'm not feeling good, we're not gonna go now, but Sam's Steakhouse. I got a rangefinder for Christmas. Hell yeah. You need a rangefinder, man. People act like that those things on the watch are fine. I mean, I get it. It's okay, but like, if you're being serious, you gotta have a real one. Because those things are never always right. They're always off. Some people go, well, hey, what's a few yards? I mean, holy hell, that's like a 20-foot putt. A few yards is an extra 20 foot. And I'm trailed out of Aklo. I'm just kidding, it's 9, but my son likes the background music. Hey, that's cool. These pretzels are making me thirsty. What a name. What a name. These pretzels are making me thirsty. I like it. Let's go, pretzels. Hopefully you get some nice market action going too. Bit of a weird week, though, with it being the holiday week and everything, and with the market being closed on Wednesday and having the early close Tuesday. Just an FYI, next week. Yeah, next week. Already. Yes, again. The market's going to be closed on Wednesday. Wednesday, January 1st. Be ready for that. We're closed again this next week. Pretzel without water's torture. Especially the pretzels out of the bag. If it's like a pretzel with cheese, I could deal with it, but... They actually, you know, if you guys ever come to St. Louis, you gotta go to this place called Gus's Pretzels. They have this thing around here called Gus's Pretzels, which is pretty cool. This is sick, though. I'll show you what's cool here. God, I can't. I'm gonna cough. Hang on. Man. But yeah, these pretzels are amazing. So what they do, this is sick. They have them with bratwurst in them, or Cilicia, or hot dog, or jalapeno pepper jack bratwurst, or Wurst. I don't know what that is, but they have all this stuff that they fill these things with. It's so good. It's like pretzels with like bratwurst inside. And I didn't think it'd be that good, but holy shit, they're good. Boeing trying to come back, but it's like a little St. Louis like local thing. I'm sure that they have other pretzel things other places, but if you guys ever come here, check that out. Man, we're getting some bad movement here. Nvidia breaking the low of the day. AMD looks like it's going to be trying to do the same move. All right, guys, intermission time. I'm out of water. I went through 2 bottles already. It's pretty insane. Went through 2 bottles already, but... All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. All right. We're back from the intermission. We have a fresh water. What's going on out there, everyone?
realize we're not close. All I wanted was
What is going on out there?
you know.
What are you guys seeing? Any big movers out there that you guys are watching for? Hims, 6.7, 6.8%, not bad. Pretty good. HIMS. I feel like I'm talking about a boat whenever I say the HIMS. ACHR still trying. OSS, let's go. One Stop Systems. Wow, OSS. Operational Special Services. Or it's called the Office of Strategic Services is what it is. The OSS.
This time I won't hide all the times I've been wrong. And I'm sorry for the things I
Pretty interesting movement though. 8.5%. The daily's extremely interesting on OSS. It's been a while since I've heard anybody talk about or mention OSS. I'm gonna send you to OSS is what I'm gonna do though. Tangi's gonna get some OSS. 1,700 shares, up 23%. Beautiful, Tangi. LUNR's at 11% now. I guess I have to put it on the watch list, huh? Cooler and Lunar are leading the ways on my watch list. Oh my gosh. Cooler's up 38% now too. Working their 9 to 5, Bacon said. I'm curious. Yeah, how many people out there are watching while they work? Let's go see CNBC's headlines as of this minute. I saw this about Waymo dominating U.S. robo-taxi market. Granted, it seems like Tesla's trying to step into that space. Nippon Steel has a Biden decision going on here. The closing date was revised to the first quarter of 2025. Hey, that's good. That's really good. That means Trump will get to make the decision now, hopefully. And Trump's gonna deny it. Yeah, Trump said he's gonna block the deal. Biden has 15 days to decide. If he takes no action, the merger will get an unexpected green light. Oh, wow. So Biden has 15 days to do this from Monday. So where does that put us? Let's see. Tuesday, January 7th is when this has to be done then. This is a weird situation with X or US Steel. If you look at it on the daily, the buyout price looked like it was around $55 a share. Isn't that what I just saw? Yeah. They never hit the offer price of $55 per share, signaling investors worry over the timeline for the deal's completion. If it's allowed to go through, there's a big arbitrage opportunity here. If you think the deal would go through, You could buy it now and essentially make an easy 74%, but 75%. But it's very iffy on if that deal goes through or not. Also, I'm kind of curious if the deal doesn't go through, if they would start to run. US Steel. We've seen these things happen a lot with Activision, and Microsoft was one where it had so many issues. You know, they kept thinking that they weren't going to allow it, and then they started talking about allowing it, and then they eventually did allow it. And this one's different, though, because it's a U.S. company, U.S. Steel, being allowed to be bought and owned by Japan, essentially, by a Japanese company. It's weird. I'm not sure that it should be allowed or not. It's tough to say.
Top off, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Purchases, Molly purchases. Purchases, Molly purchases. Reticent, gotta reticent. Can't chase a check, never chase a bitch. Red James, 33 chains.
Sorry, guys, I had to go die. Poet, 23%. Back above 7. There we go. That's a good plus to see. Hell yeah, back over 7. That's nice. Avgo taking off, cool said. AVGO. Well, that's actually cool. You'll have to tell me how to say your name, VR. Avgo. 1% here. It's not necessarily taking off too much yet, but it did start to break a little bit, which is nice. On an intraday standpoint, definitely not bad. Little scalp action and back up. An iconic U.S. company. It used to be part of Bethlehem Steel. Are you talking about U.S. Steel? The one that was owned by, like, Andrew Carnegie back in the day? I don't know what Bethlehem Steel was, though. I've never heard of that one. I just don't know anything about that, Tangy. It was... They made all the rails for all the trains? Oh, okay. Steel for all the boats? What happened to them? Palantir pulled back here. Terrible. I don't like this action on Palantir. Very boring today. Nobody wants that. Boeing started to pop a little more. Back up above 180, which is nice. That's great to see. Man, I want to go get a pretzel now. I'm just kidding. TSLA. Tesla has a little bit of a inverse head and shoulders action going on for all of our inverse head and shoulders traders out there. I don't love these setups like this, but if you're watching support down around 455.50. Pretty good. I like this lower support level quite a bit. Good hold there. Hopefully we can hit at least 465. In the early 1900s, horrific places to work. Oh, that. I got you. It's part of that. Michael subscribed. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Michael. Salty and sweet. Like a nice pretzel. SoFi's trying. SOFI. New high of the day. 16.35 break. It'd be nice to see that break here. But so far, pretty good retest of this high. Hims is pulling back. QQQ bouncing it all over. $530 resistance coming up.
I will never fall, even when the sky is dark. Be the one to eat, I'll be one to eat the stars. I will never fall.
KULR is starting to turn over. Lunar's not, though. LUNR is still right at the high of day. If you're looking for something that's still pushing, LUNR is attempting. Target is going. Target's up 2%. Quite a bit for Target. Well above average. A little slower mover there. Can I see Tesla book map for sure? Here it is. What is that? They have that ending weird on that remix there. Here it is though, 465 with a good stack. 470 has a decent stack overhead too. 75,000 shares stacked there. Quite a bit. Pretty good. Hopefully you're able to see it there. 19 on Lunar. Gosh, it just doesn't stop. What's it going to end up at today? 20%? It just might, Jesley. It just might. Not too far off in the grand scheme of movement here. I'm going to the golf simulator tomorrow, which will be nice. Hopefully I'm not too sick for that. Maybe I get a little bit better here. Got QQQ bouncing. QQQ might make a new high of the day here. Gosh, it's there. SPY is about to as well. There it is. New high of the day. Good morning, Demure. Good morning. I don't know how much more I can last, Demure. It might be a short one for you today. Actually, you did sound pretty sick last night, Demir said. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty rough, Demir. I don't know what's up with it right now. It like ruined Christmas. For me. For me it did. Ugh. Mason thinks... Somehow Mason got that we played a game out of that. I don't know where you got that from there, Mason, but... I think he meant from the video last night. I wish so. I should have played the game last night. Yeah, I figured. That's funny. I'm too rough to even play the games right now. Oof. Now I could probably play the game, but... Not the way Demir plays it. Demir goes too hard in the paint. He's too good of an operator. Spy, let's go. Come on, you just made a new high. We want to see some good movement here. Not gonna lie. Yeah, it sucks when you get old, Demir. I have a daughter now, so I don't get too many gifts. But my mom actually got me a pretty good gift. This is pretty sick. She got me a Hexclad. She got me this Hexclad pan, which is pretty sick. I thought this was pretty cool. I started looking it up. This is like, well, I knew what it was, but it's Gordon Ramsay's pan company. Or he uses them or is sponsored or whatever. Hexclad, though. I thought it was neat. My fiance got me a couple of things, but nothing too crazy. Gordon Ramsay approves? Hell yeah. You got a metal detector? Holy shit, Demir. Those things can get pretty expensive, man. I have a buddy that has one and he loves it. He runs it all throughout the woods and finds like little bullets from like the Civil War and stuff. It's wild. Dandy said, my dad got me a Weber 22-inch Smoky Joe. And I got myself a 1/4 ounce Canadian maple. So you got a little Weber smoker? Oh, cool. Okay. That's pretty cool. That is neat. We all like our Webers around here. That looks like a good tailgate item. Grilling is basically our family religion, Tangi said. Haha, that's awesome. I made some dinner for the fiance last night. I made her some... I ate some too. God, guys, sorry, my throat. Give me 1 sec. All right. Yeah, I made some shrimp with white sauce. It's a special thing that I make where essentially I just make a white cream sauce. So you take shrimp, you fry them up in a pan, then you use that pan and you add in chopped onions and a little oil, and then you let those go, and then you add in red pepper, tomato, cream, milk, and some cheese. And then you mix it all up and you let that go until it forms a really good sauce. And you deglaze the pan where the shrimp was cooking, and it makes it even like shrimpier flavor, we'll say. I make some pretty bomb food. Tom's a pretty good cook. But I'm an asshole cooking, though. It has to be done right. My fiance gets mad at me because I'm like, that's not how you do that. And she's like, just be quiet. She's like, I do it my own way. I burnt almost $100 playing high-risk scalps. I'm kind of sad. Demir said, man, Demir, don't be sad. You should never be sad. I know what you mean, though, if it don't go your way. But I'm glad you generally keep your risk low. One thing I've noticed, Demir, is that a lot of times I notice that you come in and you'll say, oh, I made 20 bucks, I made 30 bucks. But when you come in, you always say you lost like 100 or more. Man, those wins have to be let go a little bit longer to make up for the L's. You should be able to hit more than little percents on those. Oh, so you sort of saw a pattern, I see. I made grass-fed New York strips and herb mashed potatoes. That sounds really good, Iceberg. Starting New Year's Golas, I made 2,500 calories yesterday. Forgot the brownies in the oven, JK. What is Golas? Oh, goals. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm like, I thought that was like a special food. I made some Golas, guys. It was 2,500 calories. Oh. What's your thoughts on SMR? Pretty hot stock. I'm really just waiting for it to break out. It broke out above the high of Tuesday in pre-market, but It formed a pretty good base overhead. I like it though. I think that there's actually good potential for this company. This company does actually get me excited. You know, it's small modular nuclear reactors that they make. It's a very niche market. I think that it's a very interesting company that they develop, or how they develop these. And, you know, if you were trying to invest into emerging markets or growth companies, this is one that I would definitely add to my portfolio. Now, I might have to talk to Hunter or Yang about the fundamentals, but yeah, it was a play from last night. Yeah, that's why I talked about the pre-market moves. I like 2150. I wasn't sure in which way you meant about it, Tangi, but I talked about both. If for a day trade today, 2150, that high of this morning, has to break. As far as the potential there, I see it break. I can see it breaking today. SMR is always a favorite of mine. ACHR is mounting a recovery. Back towards 1125. Let's see. Aklo came back well too. Aklo looks great. Fantastic action by Aklo. We're getting some better moves happening now. This is nice to see. Some better PAs happening. New highs of the day are being achieved. Is today Kwanzaa? I saw somebody put on Facebook or something, happy Kwanzaa. No. I actually got an alert. Something popped up on my phone and said the St. Louis Cardinals are celebrating Kwanzaa. And I was like, what? Is Kwanzaa today? I'm just curious.
Red James, 33 chains.
You're gonna get called on a block of Aklo?
That's a liability. Hit gas, boost my adrenaline. Purchases, body purchases.
Looks like you guys are looking for the Santa rally to keep going here into the new year. That's a good thing to hear. I'm happy to hear that for you guys. That's really badass.
Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Mask on, fuck it, mask off. Purchases, Molly purchases. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Red James, 33 chains. Ocean L, cruising biz chains. Top off, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Purchases, Molly purchases. Purchases.
It's all good. I'm up like 28%. There you go. Okay. So at least you're getting called on a block of it well above your price. That's good. BA 182. Gosh, it roared alive today. Boeing was kind of stuck and just seriously just started to come back out of nowhere. That is a huge move.
Never chase a bitch.
I was just hoping to suck punch covered calls for a few weeks. Yeah. Run the covered calls. I know. Sometimes it happens this way. At least it's going up though. Better than down, they always say. Well, maybe. Maybe they say that. I don't know. The Bears don't say that. All right, guys. I think we're going to go ahead and call the stream here. I appreciate you all joining up, and I do apologize for ending a little early today and just for being sick and stuff. I know it's, you know, it's nobody's fault, but appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day. I will talk to you later. I'll see you in the Discord. Don't forget, we are running the holiday special right now. Use code SANTA100 at checkout for $100 off the yearly trading floor. Santa100. Let's go, Santa. If you currently have a yearly sub and you want to add another one on, just let me know in Discord and like go ahead and sign up for it, and then just let me know, and then I will make sure that your other one is canceled. Or if you have monthly and you want to upgrade, same thing. Do it and then just let me know, and we will get you all squared away. Just buy the yearly and then tell me so that we can cancel your monthly, though. You have to let us know so we can cancel it. Appreciate the stream. Feel better? Hell yeah. Hoping to maybe get some soup or something today, but I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Talk to you guys later.